Now, let's look at this question. What are the information given? First is travel on a distance of 20 miles. Oh, sorry, 200 miles. So if you want to find, let's say S is the normal speed that is traveled. So using time is equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, this is the time taken when you travel at a normal speed. Okay, S is the normal speed. Distance divided by speed equal to the time taken. So this TV here is the time taken for normal speed. The S is the normal speed. Now, let's look at the second scenario. If we increase the speed by 20, that means increase by 10 miles per hour. That means S plus 10. So this is the actual speed. So TV plus 10, that means this is the time taken travel at the additional speed of S plus 10. Okay, so D is still the same, 200. So distance divided by speed gives you the time. So it's 200 divided by S plus 10. Okay, so we have a definition of the time taken for normal speed, which is this, and this is the time taken for a higher speed, which is actually 10 miles per hour extra. That means the speed is increased by 10 miles per hour. Therefore, it's S plus 10. Okay, now we also given that it can save 1 hour of travel time if you increase the speed. That means this this time taken when the speed increased by 10, this is a smaller value, okay, because the denominator is bigger. Okay, so if you take the time taken for normal speed minus the time taken for a speed which is extra by 10, will be equal to 1 hour, as explained here. You can save an hour. That means if you travel with extra 10, okay, speed plus 10, this one is lesser time. So normal time minus lesser time gives you 1. Okay, now, so we're going to take the TV, which is 200 divided by S, substitute here. You got this. Then TV plus 10 is 200 divided by X plus 10. Okay? By the way, S here, let's define it as the normal speed. Okay? Now, so after you substitute the TV and the TV plus 10 is equal to 1. Let's multiply the denominator by S and S plus 10 across. The main reason we multiply the two denominators together is we want to remove the fraction, like 200 over S is fraction, 200 over S plus 10. So this S bracket S plus 10 multiplied by 200 over 10, the S will cancel off, SS cancel off. So your S plus 10 times 200. 200 times S plus 10. Then this one multiplied by this, the S plus 10 will cancel off. So S remains, so it's 200S. Okay, whatever you do on the left side, which in this case you multiply by S bracket S plus 10, you have to multiply the same thing on the right hand side of the equal sign, which is S plus 10. This one, if you expand, you got the X to the power 2 plus 10X. On the left side equal sign, you got 200x plus 2000, which is 200 times this, whatever inside the bracket. Now you minus, this one is 200s also. So this one and this one cancel off. So you are left with 2000. Bring the 2000 to the right hand side. You got s squared plus 10s minus 2000. Okay, now, and this side becomes 0. So it gives you a quadratic equation. Now, to solve this, let's factorize this. So x plus 50 bracket x minus 40. This is what you get. Now, then find s. In this case, s plus 50 equals 0. So s becomes minus 50. Similarly, with the same reasoning, with the same working, you get S equal to 40. But S can never be negative, so this is not a valid answer. So the normal speed S, as I said earlier, is the normal speed become 40. So this will be the answer.